Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer the question. They want to find differential equation with how about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We can see that we have e to the power of negative x and e to the power of 2x. If we look carefully, we have capital A plus bx. That means about lambda, we have two solutions of lambda equal to negative number 1. Because this is about negative x, that's why we have negative number 1. So we have c plus dx plus e to ex to the power of 2, and we have number 2 in here. That means we have 3 lambdas equals to number 2. So that means in this situation, we will have about lambda plus 1 to the power of 2 and lambda minus number 2 to the power of 3, because this is about the solution. So we just put number 2 go to the left, negative number 1 go to the left. That's why we have lambda plus 1, lambda minus number 2 equals to number 0. And the next thing, we need to expand this one, and we have like this. So after we got this one, we return lambda into fifth, fourth, third, second, first original function of y. So that should be like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.